Hey guys, me, Game Killer, back again with another video. Oh yeah, I also changed my name. Yeah, but today I'm gonna be playing a game called Car Racing Evo, and I found this game the other day, and I was like, this game looks fun. So, because if you look over here, it starts out small, and you can change it however you want. I have played a little bit. I did sign in, and so yeah, let's get right into it. Yeah, I just wanted to. I put it as I changed it back to the start because I wanted to show you guys what it looks like when you first started out. The tire is actually over here. The whatever this is right here. Chain is up here, and this frame right here is right here. So yeah, yeah, that's basically it. But I'm gonna upgrade my car because I already have a bunch of money because I cleared my design. Okay, I'm gonna make my tires bigger. So I'm gonna max my radius. Oh, not max it. Yeah, that should be good. And we click race. And we don't need my mouse for this. And as you can see, you can already see the way you can move. So, here we go. And it's not exactly beating the game. Whoa. Flying there. Oh, jeez. I haven't exactly beaten it. I don't think you can beat this game exactly, because I've gotten a lot higher. As you can see, if you look in the top top left corner of the screen, you can see 997 meters. My actual high score before I factory setted my device was like 1,922, I think. So yeah, but those other two people that I first started out with in the game, that was my last race and my best race. And so yeah, I just have to get past them or whatever, which I already am. But I just wanted to try out a game for you guys. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't. Tell me down in the comments that you have, and I'll try to reply to as many of you as I can. Come on, yes, got it. And so yeah. Dang it. I am, well, no, never mind. But yeah. Dang it, I died. Oh yeah, and also I have a new level right here. yeah, I'm gonna go to the snow biome, which is right here. Now, it tells me this, but I don't exactly know how to build that, and it's kind of hard. But yeah, I'm gonna upgrade my tires a little bit bigger. Oh wait, can't, dang it. I'll upgrade my motor. There. That should be good. So yeah, I'll leave this game down in the description below. Fail. Restart. That was kind of a fail. I hope it isn't slow for you guys, like on your screen, because it's like slow on my screen. And I'm sorry if it is. I don't exactly know how to change it because I'm using this website called not exactly website, but this app called Screencastify. I'll leave that in the description below too, if you ever want to use it. But yeah, so let's basically just play, because I don't really know what else to say right now. I mean, I wish I could play Minecraft on here, but since this is a school computer that I have, that I'm using right now, it's a Chromebook, so they won't allow you to. It's a Dell Chromebook, and if you have one, it's not going to allow you to unless you factory reset your device or factory reset it. But if you do it on a school computer, if you do it on any computer, it will delete all of your files and stuff. And so yeah, I had to resign it or whatever. And yeah, there. Camera's much better. Yeah, but mine's a laptop, and I have my TV right next to me. I was planning on putting this over there, but I don't know if it would have recorded it. But yeah. Whoa. I have chapped lips. It stings and hurts. I need some Carmax. Boom. Beat my other score. Yeah, I'm gonna need this boost to get me up here. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, that's just the basics of this game. I mean, I don't know if you guys want to play this or not. I mean, I think it's a pretty fun game, because you can upgrade all of your stuff, and you can make your tires really big and fly, literally. But if I'm just using the free version of it, but there's 3 full versions of this game. This one costs $3. And the second one, well, I don't remember, but yes, this is just gonna be this is basically gonna be it, okay? So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Bye.